Alpha MBM Investments okuruga mu United Arab Emirates bakozire endagaano na gavumenti ya Uganda okwombeka eigyegyenero ry'amajuta omuri Kabale omu district ya Hoima aha sente zirikwingana trillioni 15 na billioni 2 kandi omurimo ogu niguteekateekwa kutandika omu kwezi kwa Kabahezi omwaka ogu. Eigyegyenero eri nirija kuba nirishohoza eduramu emitwaro 6 buri izooba kandi amajuta nigaza kuba nigabiikwa na mwabura omu district ya Mpigi. Omu ndagaano ekozirwe kampuni ya Alpha MBM neija kuba netwara obucweka 6 ahari 100 kandi kampuni ya Uganda National Oil Company neija kusigaza obucweka 40 ahari 100. President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni obiireho endagaano egi erikukorwa nagira ngu eigyegyenero eri nikimanyisa ngu Uganda tekigaruka nyuma omu by'okutimba amajuta gaayo.
But also apologize to them on behalf of my people who have been tossing you around for 3.5 years. It is really not good for the servants of Uganda to not know what to do. Because what these people are proposing is very clear. I don't know why it would even take 2 days to determine. But fortunately, the national resistance movement is here, and if you don't move, the NRM will move, with or without you.
Omu ndagaano etiirweho omukono omugabe wa United Arab Emirates Sheikh Mohammed bin Maktoum harimu n'okwombeka omushekye gwa kilometers 212 okuruga Hoima okuza Mpigi.
These people, they are linking us with the Gulf area, UAE, Saudi Arabia, those countries. Those countries had a lot of problems. We are very poor. But when they discovered oil some time ago, but in the 1960s, 70s, there was the rise of the price of oil. And what they call petrodollars flowed into that area. That's how they got out of poverty. But also they are very hardworking. You can imagine somebody in the desert to manage to live well, and somebody with all the rain is in poverty.
I'd like to explain that the implementation agreement that we've just signed is for the refinery, which is going to be in Hoima district, the receiving storage terminal, which we expect to receive the finished products from the refinery, which is going to be constructed in Mpigi district at a place called Namwabla, and a 212-kilometer multi-product pipeline, which will be used to transport the products from the refinery to the storage terminal.
President Museveni naashaba abanya-Uganda okukorera hamwe n'abaharabu aba okureba ngu ensonga egi yatambura kurungi.
Work with them because they are bringing investment. They are not bringing loans. They are coming to invest. Why do you have any problem when you spend days and 3.5 years? The money is very polite. Oh, thank you very much. After 3 years, really we have worked hard. Worked hard. This is Arab politeness.
Ruth Nankabirwa, Minister w'eby'amashanyarazi n'obwega bw'omu itaka, nagira ngu bakozire n'endagaano ezindi 5 harimu n'eyo kubyara emiti.
This comprehensive agreement is going to help us see fast-tracking the entire infrastructure. Uganda is going to use its money from you, the taxpayers, to facilitate this facility, the refinery and the related facilities that have raised by 40 2%.
Omugabe wa United Arab Emirates His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Maktoum araganise nkwatanisa nungi n'ihanga rya Uganda ombyentunguka.
For the nation, I'm doing it for the people, I'm doing it to support the community over here. I'm doing it, my happiness is people smile, my happiness is to see the people live better life. That's what I'm looking for, me and my team. Again, I would first of all appreciate and thanks Your Excellency for your support since day one, 3.5 years before. I always remember our first meeting.
Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.